Look no further than Kexgill House in Middlesbrough if you're seeking the ideal sanctuary, a meticulously designed haven where every detail caters to resident needs. Discover spacious en-suite rooms, each adorned with a plush bed, bedside table, and a desk and chair ensemble ensuring both comfort and productivity. But that's just the beginning. Forge enduring friendships while savoring barbecue delights and shared culinary adventures in the communal kitchen. Plus, seamless connectivity is assured with robust Wi-Fi throughout the fully furnished property. For academic pursuits, Teesside University and Middlesbrough College are just a stroll away. Nestled on Woodlands Rd, the locale offers a plethora of discoveries. Indulge in global flavors at Turtle Bay Middlesbrough or Greek Taverna, or explore nearby gems like Teesside Park and the Middlesbrough Hydraulic Clock Tower on weekends. Conveniently located near Myrtle Street, catch a bus for effortless commuting. Don't hesitate. Visit amberstudent.com now and secure your spot at Kexgill House Middlesbrough. Your perfect abode awaits.